Hey, thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video and you feel like it was informative, please like and subscribe to my channel. In the heart of Essex County, Massachusetts lies the quaint and vibrant town of North Andover, a place where history and modern preferences converge to create a unique living tapestry. This New England gem, with its lush greenery and serene landscapes, is not just a place on the map, but a living, breathing community that embodies the essence of suburban charm, coupled with a rich historical legacy. The community spirit in North Andover is palpable. It's a town where relationships matter, where neighbors know each other, not just by name, but by stories. The sense of community is fostered through a myriad of activities and events that bring people together, celebrating not just the seasons, but the milestones of life and the simple joys of everyday living. The town's farmers markets, local sports leagues, libraries, and community centers are not just amenities, they are the beating heart of North Andover, where the young and the old alike gather to share, learn, and grow. Education in North Andover is a beacon of excellence. The town's schools are not just institutions of learning, they are nurturing environments where the leaders of tomorrow are molded. With a focus on holistic development, the schools in North Andover offer a blend of academic rigor, artistic exploration, and athletic prowess, ensuring that each student's individual needs and talents are catered to. The town's commitment to education extends beyond the classroom walls, with community programs and initiatives that emphasize lifelong learning and civic responsibility. The North Andover School District in Massachusetts comprises several public schools that cater to different grade levels. The list of public schools in North Andover include North Andover High School, which is a public school for grades 9 through 12, North Andover Middle School, and this school services students in grades 6 through 8, the Annie L. Sargent School, an elementary school catering to students from 1st to 5th grade, Atkinson, another elementary school for grades 1 through 5, Franklin, this school also serves grades 1 through 5, Kittredge, an elementary school for 1st to 5th graders, Thompson, this is also an elementary school for grades 1 through 5, and Bradstreet Early Childhood Center. This school focuses on early childhood education, serving pre-kindergarten and kindergarten students. The proximity to Boston, one of America's most historic and vibrant cities, adds another layer of richness to life in North Andover. The proximity means that residents can enjoy the peace and quiet of suburban life with the option to immerse themselves in the cultural and professional dynamism of a major urban center. It's a balance that appeals to families and professionals alike, offering the best of both worlds: quiet tree-lined streets and access to world-class museums, theaters, restaurants, and job opportunities in Boston. The history of North Andover is a woven tapestry, rich with threads of different hues, each representing a period in its evolution. From its early days as part of the Andover Parish, through its development into a bustling mill town, and its transformation into a modern suburb, the history of North Andover is a story of resilience, adaptation, and growth. This history not just preserved in museums and books, it is lived every day in the historic homes and buildings, in the stories passed down through generations, and in the traditions that continue to be celebrated. Architecturally, North Andover is a fascinating mix of the old and the new. The town's buildings and homes are a visual chronicle of its history and growth. From colonial-style homes that hark back to its early days, to the Victorian elegance that speaks of its 19th century prosperity. To the modern structures that symbolize its continuous growth, the architecture of North Andover is a testament to its ability to honor its past while embracing the future. As we explore North Andover in the following sections, we will dive into each of these aspects in a greater detail, painting a picture of a town that is not just a place to live, but a place to experience a rich, fulfilling life. In conclusion, North Andover has amazing schools, awesome history, great location, easy access to highways, and close proximity to Boston. If you're considering moving to North Andover, it's definitely an option you want to look into. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will continue to add information about great Massachusetts towns.